Welcome to IELTS Speaking, Presents by Watch and Share. Before starting the video, switch on the subtitles. So today we will discuss about an advertisement that made you want to buy a product. About a couple of months ago I saw an advertisement on the internet for a special pair of running shoes. It was the picture that caught my attention first because the shoes looked very different from normal running shoes. They were designed like a pair of gloves for your feet, if you know what I mean. They were made from a special breathable material and had a synthetic sole grafted onto the body so that they fitted like a glove on your foot, but the bottom was quite similar to a normal running shoe so that it gripped well and provided protection for your feet. Unlike a normal running shoe, each toe was separate. It was really strange to see something like that, because I had just been wondering a few weeks earlier why someone hadn't invented a running shoe like this before, and then a couple of weeks later, by pure coincidence, I came across them on the internet. I wasn't even looking for them or anything. Anyway, the ad was basically a 360 degrees color photo of the shoes, showing them from all angles, and some technical and product information about them. There was also a video that was maybe 3 or 4 minutes long and showed a runner going up a rocky hill, and the video explained how these running shoes allowed the runner to feel more of the ground underneath his feet and grip better because of the flexing motion of the bottom of the shoes. It was more an informative ad than anything arty or creative, but it made me want to buy the shoes because I hadn't seen them before and I wanted to try them, so I ordered a pair in my size, and they arrived a couple of days later. I've tried them out a couple of times so far and they seem really good. They cost me just a little bit more than some of the normal running shoes, but I think they're worth the extra money. The running experience is quite different from normal, and personally I prefer it. Thank you for watching this video. This is an example. You can talk about your experience. Let us give a 1 like and subscribe to our channel. We are posting recent IELTS topics, so stay tuned. Watch and share.